I'm going to bring a devotion about arrogance will bring a fall. Kesombongan adalah awal dari kejatuhan. Dan yang keempat, kisah tentang kejatuhan seorang raja yang sombong. This story was talking about the dream of the king Nebuchadnezzar. We can take a look on the story of Daniel chapter 4. One day, King Nebuchadnezzar was resting at his palace and got a dream. He saw there was water, a holy one, coming down from heaven, and said, chop down the tree and cut off its branches, strip off its leaves, and scatter its fruit. Let the beasts nest out from under it, and the birds from its branches. Nevertheless, lift the stump and roots in the earth, bound with a band of iron, and bronze with the cunning grass of the field. Let it be wet with the dew of heaven, let its heart be changed from that of a man, let it be given the heart of a beast.